Good morning, students, and today we will discuss how to type the coding of table. It means HTML coding of table. Look at here. In front of you, there is a one table. So I am going to discuss the coding of this table. So I'm going to open Notepad. So use HTML head title. So I'm taking here the title of the web page is tables. Then title tag close. Then tag close. Now after that I will start body tag. After body tag, look at here. There is a caption of the table. So start the table tag. And lines are visible. That's why border equal to 3 or 4. So I will set the border because outlines are visible. Then caption. Caption of the table is a test table with merged cell. Then caption tag close. So after that, look at here. Now there are in first cell, first row start. In first cell there is no any data, but it is merging is there. And then second cell and third there is a merging again, and in the third cell again merging. So I am taking here, because data is bold and center aligned, I take here TR, then TH. So here first merging is your row wise, first row and second row. So that's why row span equal to 2. But there is no any data. That's why I'm closing TH. In second row, second cell, your merging is column wise. So look at here. TH col span equal to 2. Next is, after that, there is a text is average. Then TH close. In a third TH, so look at here. Here is red eyes, but again merging is row wise. So this is row span. So here is the character is red. Okay, students, after red, line is changed, red eyes. So you will use here BR for changing the line. Then eyes, and then TH closed. Now TR close. Next TR start. So look at here. In first cell we have already inserted due to merging. We will use only height and width. We will have to add only height and width because these are board and center aligned. So we will use here TH. Here is height. And then TH closed. And then again TH start. Here is weight. Then TH closed. Then TR closed. Because in second cell, there in second row, there is only two cells. One is height and next is weight. We start third row, but males here is a bold and center aligned. So I'm taking here TH males. Then TH close. Then here is 1.9. This is normal data. So I'm taking TD 1.9. Then TD closed. Then TD 0.003. TD closed. Then TD 40%. Then TD closed. Then there is a, so row is complete. So now I'm closing the TR and again start TR. First cell is in a capital format. So I'm taking TH, then females, then TH closed, then normal text. That's why I'm taking TD. Here is 1.7. Then again TD 0.002. Then again TD. Here is 43%. The row is complete. And then table is complete. Now body tag closed. Then HTML is closed. Now I'm saving this table or this file. I click on save button and select file type as all files. Name of the file is tables.html and then click on save button. So look at here, table file is here. I double click on that. So look at here. This is the table that is exactly equal to the format I displayed here. Next is, this table is a little bit difficult. Look at here. So look at here. I'm going to create this table. Okay, students, look at here. The first line, all the contents are in a capital letter. So that's why I'm taking TR first and then TH. Here is a level 1, TH closed. Then TH level 2, then TH tag closed. Then TH level 3, TH closed. Then TH info, TH closed. Then name, then TH closed. Then row is closed. So look at here. I'm checking. Yes, now row will be closed. Now next is in first cell, in next row, this is important. First cell is merged. So count how many merging is there. Look at here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows are there. And here 6 rows are merged. So look at here. Here I will take text is normal, TD, row span equal to 6. Then there is a system, TD close. After that, look at here. In second cell, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cells are merged. So I take here TD row span because row wise merging is here. Here is system apps. And then TD closed. Next, in level 3, 3 cells are merged. So I'm taking here TD row span equal to, look at here, 3. Here is system ENV. Then TD closed. Now look at here. In fourth cell, there is no any merging. Then TD close. Next is again, there is no any merging. Then row is closed. Next row start. So look at here. In next cell, first, second, and third data is already inserted. So we will add only app memory and foo, FOO. Okay, so we will have to enter only two tables, table data. One is TD app memory, and then TR closed, then again TR start. Now in third row, again, there is only 2 data is inserted here. app test and bar. So I'm taking here td app test and then td. Here is a bar, row is closed. Now next row start. So look at here, in fourth row, data is here, system env2 1 2 3, 3 tds are there. So I'm taking here td system env2 then td again app test next is bar then tr close. In next row, look at here, first system memory, then memory test, memory function and food. These are the things we will have to add. So tr, here td system memory, then td memory test. Okay students, in system memory we are merging two cells. So here is row span equal to 2 and in second td again two cells are merged, row span equal to 2. So these cells are merged. Now next is here is a memory function. Then td close, then again td start, td close. Now in next row is closed, next row start. In next row we will have to add only apps test and last two values are there because there is a merging is here. td apps test then td now tr close and board table close, then body tag closed, then HTML closed. So I am going to save this. Oh, I am going to save this. So look at here, table 2. There is this here is this, I think there are some problems are there. I'm just checking that. In a third line, there is a problem. Look at here. Here is a in system function. Two cells are merged in place of three. So system E and V. I'm checking that. System E and V. Low spanning is 3. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just checking that I'm merging. There is a problem in merging. Yes, Bhumika? Yes, Bhumika?
सर जैसे हमने पिछली कोडिंग में कैप्शन ऐड किया था, इस कोडिंग में नहीं करेंगे?
Because here is a caption is always center aligned, but this is in the your left hand side, so this is simply text. Okay.
Okay sir. Okay sir. Thank you sir.
Yes, I'm just checking your coding better. So empty row was there. Now I'm refreshing this table again. So look at here. Exactly, table is same. So if you have any doubt and there is a text before your table, this is with the help of H1. So I'm taking here. In body tag, H1, basic HTML table. Look at here. Now students, if I want to apply different attribute of table tag, look at here. Suppose I want to fill the color. The base BG color. BG color. And saving this. Look at here. Your table is left aligned in the web page. So in case I use align attribute, right. So there are three values: right, left, there are only two alignment we can set on a table, right, left, and center. In the case of table, align attribute of table tag. So look at here, table is right aligned. So I am taking here left. The table will be displayed in left side. So in case, look at here data is in the center. If I want to display the data in the top, so these are V aligned. So these are V aligned. So V align is a attribute of TH, TD और TR. ये तीनों का attribute है. So I am taking here, look at here, in system I am using V align equal to top. So look at here, V align equal to top. So look at here. Next is, if I want to display only the different lines outside the outline, you can say border, not inside border, outline, जो outside border है, I want to set that. There is a one attribute of table tag, that is frames equal to above. Look at here. 1 minute. Look at here. Only top line is here. The three lines are not visible. So frame equal to above. So frame may be above, below, right, left, box. Clear? And if I want to display, want to control internal lines, there is rules. Rules equal to rows. Look at here. Only row lines are only, but your horizontal lines are visible, not vertical lines, only horizontal lines. So if I am taking here cos, I am removing this. In case I want to give space between cells, look at here. Here is cell spacing. I am saving this. Look at here. See the difference? Space between these cells, cell spacing. If I want to give extra space in 4 sides of your contents, there is cell padding. So look at here, difference. So extra space in 4 sides. So look at here, extra space, minimum space. In top, there are a lot of space are there, but in your left hand side, space was very less. So extra space, 4 sides. ये minimum space है जो 4 sides में होनी चाहिए. That is which one? 20. So if I increase that, so see the difference. Yes, look at here. Next is difference between TD and TH. In TD, text is left aligned and normal, but in your TH, data is center aligned and bold. Okay, students, if you have any doubt, raise your hands.